Welcome back to Atkarog 765, the channel where classic machines, vintage legends, and forgotten automotive history come back to life. If you love rare classic vehicles, timeless American engineering, and unique automotive stories, make sure to subscribe and join the family for more incredible content. Today we are diving into something truly unusual and fascinating, the legendary 1937 Packard Motorhome. This is not just another classic vehicle. This is a rolling mansion from the golden age of American luxury. A machine built during a time when craftsmanship mattered more than mass production, and when the name Packard stood at the top of automotive excellence in America. The 1937 Packard Motorhome represents a completely different era of travel. Long before modern RVs filled highways across the United States, wealthy adventurers and luxury travelers wanted something special. They wanted the comfort of home combined with the elegance of a premium automobile. That vision helped create machines like this extraordinary Packard-based motorhome. When you first look at the 1937 Packard Motorhome, it feels like stepping into a black and white Hollywood movie. The front end carries the unmistakable Packard identity with its tall chrome grille, rounded fenders, elegant hood lines, and massive presence. Packard vehicles during the 1930s were symbols of status and sophistication. Celebrities, businessmen, and political figures often traveled in Packards because they represented prestige and engineering perfection. But this vehicle goes far beyond a standard luxury car. Behind the beautiful Packard front end sits an extended custom-built motorhome body designed for long-distance travel and comfort. Back in the 1930s, building a custom motorhome was extremely expensive and rare. These were often handcrafted projects built for wealthy owners who wanted to travel across America in style. The body design of the 1937 Packard Motorhome is absolutely incredible. It combines Art Deco styling with practical functionality. The curved corners, polished trim, vintage windows, and long body proportions give it an appearance unlike anything on modern roads today. Every angle of the vehicle tells a story about old-school craftsmanship. One of the most amazing things about vehicles like this is the amount of detail put into every component. The metalwork was done by skilled craftsmen using traditional techniques. There were no computer-designed panels or automated assembly robots. Every piece required human talent and patience. The front headlights are massive and beautifully integrated into the fenders. The chrome bumpers shine with elegance, while the long wheelbase gives the vehicle an almost train-like road presence. Even parked, the 1937 Packard Motorhome looks powerful and prestigious. Under the hood, Packard was famous for producing incredibly smooth and reliable engines. Depending on the exact build and chassis configuration, many Packards from 1937 used large inline-8 engines known for quiet performance and strong torque. These engines were engineered to deliver smooth highway cruising at a time when many roads across America were still rough and undeveloped. Imagine driving this giant luxury motorhome across America in the late 1930s. No modern GPS, no interstate highways, no advanced suspension systems. Just open roads, classic engineering, and endless adventure. That is what makes this vehicle so romantic and legendary today. Inside the motorhome, things become even more impressive. Unlike ordinary vehicles of the era, this Packard Motorhome was designed to provide comfort during extended journeys. Depending on the custom conversion, these motorhomes often included sleeping areas, seating lounges, storage compartments, small kitchens, and luxury furnishings. The woodwork inside many vintage motorhomes was handcrafted using real hardwood materials. Cabinets, trim pieces, and interior furniture were built with care and elegance. Some interiors even featured decorative lighting, vintage curtains, polished fixtures, and custom upholstery. This was luxury camping decades before the modern RV industry exploded in popularity. In many ways, vehicles like the 1937 Packard Motorhome helped inspire the future of recreational travel in America. What also makes this machine special is its rarity. Very few custom Packard motorhomes were ever built, and even fewer survived over the decades. Many vintage vehicles from the 1930s were lost to time because of wars, economic struggles, rust, or simple neglect. Finding a surviving Packard motorhome today is like discovering an automotive treasure. Collectors and automotive historians appreciate these vehicles because they represent a unique combination of luxury automobile history and early motorhome culture. They are rolling pieces of art and engineering history. The driving experience of a vehicle like this would be completely different from anything modern drivers know today. There is no advanced electronic steering, no digital dashboard, no touchscreens, and no driver assistance systems. Everything feels mechanical, connected, and alive. The large steering wheel, the sound of the inline-8 engine, the vibration of the road, and the smell of vintage materials create an experience that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. Driving a machine like this is not just transportation. It is an emotional journey into automotive history. Another fascinating detail about the 1937 Packard Motorhome is the social reaction it creates everywhere it goes. People stop and stare because it looks so unique and majestic. Even people who know nothing about classic cars instantly recognize that they are looking at something rare and valuable. At classic car shows and vintage RV gatherings across the United States, vehicles like this become centerpieces of attention. Enthusiasts gather around to admire the craftsmanship, ask questions, and take photographs. Younger generations are often shocked to learn that luxury motorhomes existed nearly 90 years ago. Packard as a company also holds a legendary place in American automotive history. Packard was once considered one of the finest luxury car makers in the world. The company competed with the very best brands of its era and became famous for quality engineering, elegant styling, and advanced technology. During the 1930s, Packard represented success and prestige. Owning any Packard vehicle was already a major symbol of wealth. Owning a custom Packard motorhome was on another level entirely. The Art Deco influence of the late 1930s can also be seen throughout the design of this vehicle. Smooth curves, elegant symmetry, polished metal accents, and luxurious proportions all reflect the design trends of the era. It captures the spirit of pre-war America when designers focused heavily on beauty and elegance. Restoring a 1937 Packard motorhome today would require incredible dedication and expertise. Parts for vintage Packard vehicles are extremely rare, and custom motorhome sections would often require handmade restoration work. Skilled craftsmen may spend thousands of hours bringing one of these vehicles back to life. But when fully restored, the result is breathtaking. A beautifully restored Packard motorhome becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes a museum-quality masterpiece capable of turning heads anywhere in the world. For YouTube audiences in the United States, classic American luxury vehicles like this are incredibly fascinating because they showcase a forgotten chapter of automotive history. Modern RVs may offer more technology and convenience, but they cannot match the character and elegance of a handcrafted 1937 luxury motorhome. This vehicle also reminds us how adventurous people were during the early days of road travel. Cross-country journeys were difficult, roads were unpredictable, and fuel stations were limited. Yet people still dreamed of exploring America in comfort and style. The 1937 Packard motorhome was built for exactly that dream. One can only imagine the stories hidden inside a machine like this. Family road trips, long-distance adventures, scenic camping locations, and unforgettable journeys across old American highways. Every scratch, every mile, and every restoration tells part of its incredible history. Today, vintage motorhomes have become highly collectible. Enthusiasts love restoring and preserving these rare vehicles because they represent freedom, creativity, and craftsmanship from another era. The 1937 Packard motorhome stands among the most unique and beautiful examples ever created. It is not just a classic RV. It is a symbol of American innovation, luxury, and imagination. It proves that even nearly 90 years ago, people were already dreaming about traveling with comfort, elegance, and independence. And honestly, when you compare this handcrafted masterpiece to many modern vehicles, you begin to understand why classic automotive culture remains so strong today. These machines have personality. They have soul. Every detail feels meaningful and artistic. If you ever get the chance to see a vintage Packard motorhome in person, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and history standing before you. Vehicles like this are becoming rarer every year, and preserving them helps keep automotive history alive for future generations. Thank you for watching today's journey into the world of the 1937 Packard motorhome here on at Carog 765. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more rare classic vans, vintage luxury vehicles, and legendary American automotive history, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Tell us in the comments below, would you travel across America in this incredible 1937 Packard Motorhome? And what classic vehicle should we feature next on the channel? Until next time, keep the passion for classic cars alive, and we will see you in the next video.